Hey, I'm Shane from Shane Smith Law. One of the questions I get asked by people is, what makes Shane Smith Law different? And I could send you to look at our client testimonials. I could send you to look at our Google reviews. I could send you to look at our results page on our website that lists all the policy limits cases we get for people and all the money. I could send you the ad that says, we had $3 million in settlements last month. I could do all of that, or I could send you to the one that says, hey, we've had $100 million in settlements in the last 3 years. But instead, what I'm going to tell you is we're a client-focused law firm. Our goal is to help our clients to get the best results they can on their case and that they get better, ideally back to 100%. And a lot of our focus is going to be on getting you 100% better. We work with doctors throughout the states. We find doctors that are patient advocates. These are doctors, they listen to what you tell them, they look at the medical records, they look at the tests, and then they come up with a plan for you, and that plan is to get you better. And that's what we want, that's what the doctors want, to get you better 100%. It depends on what kind of doctor this is, but whatever you need is what we're going to try to get you to, whether it's a speech therapist, whether it is a counselor because you have PTSD, whether it's a pain management doctor, whether it's an orthopedist, whether it's a shoulder doc, a knee doctor, even a skin doctor or a plastic surgeon, okay? Or we've even talked to dentists for our clients. Whatever medical injuries you've got related to the accident, we're going to work with you to get you the medical care so you're back to normal 100% better, okay? These doctors work on credit, they take your health insurance, they'll work with you on the deductibles. We're going to work with you as best we can to get you that medical care to get you 100% better. So after you're better, then we're going to work with you to make sure you can make informed decisions about your case, all right? You're hiring us to give you advice and to help you with your case. So we're going to talk to you about what's going on. If you're making a decision that's going to have an impact on the case, we're going to talk to you about that. We're going to talk to you about how it does impact your case, whether it's good or whether it's bad, and have that discussion so that you know. Now, ultimately, our clients can make their own decisions, but we want to make sure it's an informed decision. They know what the ramifications are, they know the impact, and then they make that decision rather than, 6 months later, it's an oops, I wish I'd have known this. We want all of our clients to make informed decisions, okay? Sometimes this means cases take longer than they would otherwise if we were just after fast cash or a quick settlement, but that's what it means to be a client-centered firm. That's what it means to focus on getting our clients better 100% rather than just doing a quick settlement and trying to make a buck and be gone and leaving a client hurt, okay? That's the Shane Smith Law difference. That's the Shane Smith Law way. And remember, if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.